If you're in this area, it's time to get out now. Now there are at least 6 fires burning tonight. Here's a map showing their locations. Residents in Riverside, Banning, San Bernardino, Awunga, all on high alert as conditions remain hot and dry. The most concerning fire at this hour is the Wildfire near Banning. The fire has exploded to more than 1,100 acres in a matter of hours. Evacuation orders are in place for areas north of Poppet Flat Divide Truck Trail, south of Interstate 10, east of Highland Springs Avenue, and west of Old Cabazon Road. If you're in this area, it's time to get out now. Evacuation warnings are in place for areas north of Poppet Flats Trail, south of Highland Springs Avenue, east of Bergamo Avenue, and west of Highway 243.